What's up, boys, fam? Got a little surprise today. Noah, he went camping and left me with a debit card, you know, company debit card, and might have bought something. Bought him a little gift, you know, his car's looking pretty bunk on the stock wheels. Might have bought myself a little gift too, you know. So yeah, left him here last night, and he's probably inside beating Schmeed or editing a video, who knows.
What are you doing, step bro?
Man! I've been waiting fucking 16 weeks for this shit. Look at this. Big box, eh? You know what? I'm excited. See if Noah's surprised, you know? The guy works kind of hard, as, you know, none of us work really hard here, but we like to treat ourselves anyway. So let's go see what he's doing and surprise him. I know you've been working kind of hard, so I got a surprise for you. You know, you left me with the company card.
Oh yeah.
Put this on. It's out in the garage.
What'd you buy, man?
Dude, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Am I not supposed to be able to see, dude?
Yeah, dude, like a blindfold.
Alright, say we're not.
Alright, let's go. Okay, it's just through the door.
Man.
It's just through the garage door. Man, fuck around.
Can I open?
Okay, no. Alright, open.
Is that
Surprise!
what I think it is, dude?
Might be.
Man. Man. Man, I think.
Should we open them up?
Man.
What do you think it is, man?
Man. Man.
Stinks?
Smells like imported goods.
So here we go. Really exciting.
I need my Bass Pro for this, dude. I can't even handle it. Holy shit.
Alright, so I bought the boys some wheels with the company card, you know. And yeah, so they're Longchamps, fully rebuilt, restored. They're 15 by 9.5 rears, negative 33, and 15 by 9 fronts, negative 27. Yeah.
That's insane, dude.
No, I have to come clean.
Yeah.
This other box here,
Those two other boxes behind these two boxes?
yeah, it's for me.
Oh, decent.
Yeah.
Double mods, dude.
Yeah, tandems.
So we bought, we both have the exact same spec and the same wheels
Yeah, no copied meat.
and the same car.
Yeah, no copied meat.
That's pretty far, dude. I don't know
Yeah,
about
no copied meat.
Alright, I'm gonna rub my nuts on those now. Should we pull them out? Pull the other ones out? The
Oh,
knives?
yeah, but we need them in the boxes to transfer them, eh?
Yeah.
This is the 9 here.
Are we gonna ceramic coat them?
Yeah.
Did you already go over the specs?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, do they look crazy right here.
Yeah, so this is a 9.5, negative 33, and this is a 9, negative 27.
5 slips in the back, 4.5s in the front.
Yeah.
Definitely not gonna fit.
Not gonna fit, but you know what? It's the name
That's
of the
what it's
game.
all about.
It's all about that. We also got brand new tires. Where the fuck are the tires? Oh, right there. So yeah, we're gonna go slap these on. First we're gonna ceramic coat the wheels. And then we're gonna go head out to Ben's and fucking mount these up.
John Pizza.
Alright, so we've got everything loaded up in the truck. And then we're gonna go to Ben's.
Got the LaCroix.
Dude, we do got the LaCroix, dude.
LaCroix sponsor us.
Might even stop for the iced coffees on the way, hey?
Look, lime.
Longchamps.
What do you think, Ben?
Really, really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, when you talk
Right on.
like that.
Solid purchase.
Yeah.
Fucking decent.
These thick boy hardwares.
Yeah, that's really big hardware.
Damn, boy, she thick.
Well, Ben's getting fucking dangerous with it, eh?
Ben, these are worth more than my life. To me, at least.
Actually. Got the cheetah here.
We're gonna be cheating.
We're gonna be blasting big times, eh?
Oh,
It's like not saucy, it's like
it's fucking disgusting.
jelly or something.
Oh, it's like hair gel. Like Axe, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of fire.
We should give it to Kevin first.
Lube it up nice and good, Ben. Ben, can you look into the camera and say, don't be shy, put some more?
Put some more?
No, you need to like. You need to get.
Okay, so.
Say, don't be shy. Put some more.
Is this the TikTok video?
Yeah.
But
Okay.
only
Don't be shy. Put some more, Ben. Put some more.
Corners on circles. Welcome to Moist Boy.
don't be
Damn, boy, he dumb. Now that you are lubricated. Is this the outside here? That's the inside. Pour some more, Ben. Don't be shy. You gonna bring it over? Yes.
Nice! Nice! High five. Nice.
I bet if I jizzed in this for 3 years, I could fill it up.
Yeah.
Bet?
Do it.
Alright. Let's fucking see. Damn, boy. She firm. She firm as shit. Okay.
Let's see whose hand breaks first. I realized you weren't squeezing as hard.
Yeah.
Right arm.
Damn, boy.
Holy
She's
fuck.
stretched.
Well, there's 1 out of 8.
Damn, boy. She's taking shit.
Sean Pizza on Dem Beats.
Fucking shit.
It looks so nice.
I can't believe you bought these, man.
You know what? You're welcome, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Let's say I never did anything for you.
Yeah, right on. Goes to show you hard work really pays off, unless it's YouTube. Yeah, shout out to Ben for helping us put tires on.
No problem, you guys.
Look at this catfish ass mustache.
I was thinking about dyeing it or getting the
Just for men?
the oil that you wipe one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Next video, we'll chuck them on our cars. We got some goodies from Uncle Joel. We'll go over to get these things to fit, because you're not fitting with stock suspension. So we got to rig some mods. We also got another project car coming to the channel. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but it's gonna be fucking sick. I don't know if I call it project car, but you'll see.
Yeah.
This video will be out in like 2 weeks, so it'll already be happening. So
Yeah.
This video won't be out for 2 weeks.
yeah, no, it'll come out on Wednesday.
Do you have something to say to future Ben?
Ben on Wednesday? What do you gotta say to Ben on Wednesday at 1 o'clock?
Just like have a really good breakfast, nice sleep before you go to work. Just do the right thing.
Honest guy.
Oh, I was gonna burp, but it might be a throw up.
Yeah, that's that. Comment. We don't even do that shit. Ben, comment. What are they commenting today?
You guys are still doing that?
Not really, but since we're with you, might as well.
I always think of them in the shower, and then I don't write them down.
The subscribers or the questions?
I know you
Both.
think about me in the shower. Or have in your browser. Brag about the pussy pound.
Oh, there's a wall. List.
Holy shit, man.
You go your whole life, but the only thing you can drink is breast milk.
That's not a question.
Well, like, would you do it?
That's just a fact. Wait, so.
Oh, sorry, you get $1 million.
But you can only drink breast
The
milk.
only thing you can drink is breast milk. Like, you can flavor
Do you
it.
have to have do you have to have a woman with you?
No, it's like pre-cupped.
Your whole life. Only $1 million.
You have $1 million right now, but only you can drink water. But like, if you want something tasty, it has to be breast milk.
But you say food?
Can you put Nesquik
No,
in
no,
breast
like
milk?
you can't have milk as an ingredient, like cookies or like eggs or something. You can't put milk in it.
Can you put Nesquik in it?
You have to like request it to be flavored, and like you don't really know where the flavoring comes from.
Oh, so you just get a random mystery flavor?
Yeah, you ever had carob, the fake chocolate?
No.
It would be like that. Like it's not as good as the real stuff.
Milk.
Yeah.
Honestly, breast milk is titty piss. It's real?
Yeah.
It's titty piss, isn't it?
It's really nice though.
Have you tried it?
What?
No.
Comment below if you've
Definitely
ever
tried it.
tasted breast milk before. Or, I mean, you remember
Let us know if
tasting
you
it.
have some. We can try.
No. I don't want to try any of that shit.
Alright, let us know if you have some me and Ben can try.
Okay, fuck off now. Until next time, friends.
The boys will try to